Good morning. Happy Vlogmas Day 2. I am in the car, going on a car ride to pick up something for my front step. I need to finish out my Christmas decorations. So I'm going to the big orange box store to see if I can find an evergreen that I can put some lights and a bow on. And got my co-pilot with me. So we're off. Okay, I've made it to Home Depot, and just like I expected, they've got some really pretty things out front. I could easily just drop this into my container in my front door, but I want to add some lights. So I think these are really pretty. I love the Frosties. But they don't come separately. You have to buy it as part of this plant. No. No. These are pretty. Way too big for my needs. This is more along the lines of what I can do. Something small like this. I can put a little string of lights on. I like the blue leaves on that. Holiday, $16. We're gonna pick this up. Oh, cold. This is going to be the last day I come out without my gloves. I do not know what I was thinking, and I'm sorry if y'all are picking up all this wind, because I am walking outside. I have to go inside to pay for this item because Garden Center is closed now. These are all arborvitae. Ooh, $8.88. I don't want another arborvitae though. I have one. I stopped to look at this. Do I need a wreath? No, I do not. But look how pretty this is. I love this one with the pine cones and the little berries on it. This is so cute. Look at that. This is adorable. No, I did not come here for this. Yes, I am leaving with it. Okay. Gonna go pay for these items in the store. Okay, I came in the store and they've got bakeries, which I honestly prefer because I feel bad about killing a plant, but I technically did not kill the plant. It was already dead. But I don't like these nearly as much as this live one I picked up. I'm sticking with the live one, but these are cute. I live in one of the counties where you do not get plastic bags anymore. Maybe for the environment. That's great for me because a paper bag does not make sense. So, I'm carrying my stuff back to the car in my hands. Again, last day without gloves. Never again should we not wear gloves. That is a bad idea. Oh, but it's gonna be pretty. We are back in the car. Co-pilot's in the car. And purchases in the back. So, I'm thinking this is going to be pretty. We'll see. Okay, back at it. So this is what I'm going to remove and replace with this plant. So see, the tail has gotten nice and white, and this echinacea is actually still putting out blooms. I'm going to, because it's perennial, I'm going to move this to the back, and I'll probably just get rid of the pansies that are still doing well, because it's we've only had a couple of freezing nights, so they're still doing okay. So let's get to it. Okay. Look at that. Whole thing came up. That's awesome. So I'm gonna move this, and I'm gonna plant this echinacea in the backyard because it will survive. I should be able to, ouch, just pop this out and pop it right in. Ouch. Should have worn different gloves because these needles are sticking me. Oh, wow. Well, let's try to break this up a little bit. And then it's a little dry, so I'm going to give it some water. Might have to add a little more soil. Okay. And I'll probably be able to keep this once we get past the season. A little low on there. And I'll go get some soil to add. Before I do, let's add a small string of lights. Because if there's anything I have, it is lights. So this string of lights is going on. Okay. Oh, these are kind of big, but it will be okay. So this is gonna be a lot of lights on a tiny tree. This is one of my smaller strings. One is, I think, like 25 feet. So yeah, it's gonna be a lot of lights on a tiny, tiny tree. Maybe I can hook it onto this wire here. I have so many lights left. Oh my gosh. 25 feet is big. And this is a tiny little tree. But you know what, tiny tree? You're about to be lit. So does the wreath go on the inside or the outside? Looks like those people have theirs on the outside. Nobody has the wreath up. This is me. Bing! These people are Grinches. So let's see if this helps. I'm gonna this here. Push this down. Awesome! Okay, I think it's hanging now. That looks so pretty. Oh my gosh. And here's our little tree now. That looks so cool. So I'm going to give you a picture this evening. I am so pleased. Let's see. Okay, so now I'm going to blow off this dirt. Now let's take a step back and look. That looks very pretty. I love it. Wait till the lights come on this evening. It looks like they're kind of all in a line. I'm gonna wait till this evening. But then it looked like all the lights are kind of lined up. I might need to fix that. I'm going to fix it. I'll show you what it looks like this evening all lit up. I honestly think this looks very good. Now, I'm not sure how Vlogmas is supposed to go because my videos are going on the day. So I think it's just every day. I don't know. Either way, day 2 is going to be me putting up decorations, and then you'll see all of my Christmas decorations this evening when the lights are, I mean, it's really not dark, but I mean, it's dark, but it's like 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Anywho, I'll show the lights, and then if there was any feedback at all on the yard trim, let me know. Otherwise, I'm just gonna compost it. It doesn't even matter, y'all. I'm gonna compost it. Okay. Bye. See you tomorrow.